In this video, I will show you how to add TripAdvisor reviews to your Wix website quickly and easily. The first thing that we need to do is open up Elfsight. This is the tool that we will be using to build the widget, and I've linked it in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link and it will take you straight over to this page. This link also ensures that everything connects properly when we embed it. From here, just enter your email into this box to sign up for free, and then on this next page, create your password. Just like that, we are signed up and ready to go. Now, once you are signed up to Elfsight, you should be taken over to this screen right here. So what we want to do is just go up to search widgets and we can type in TripAdvisor. Once we type this in, we should see the reviews from TripAdvisor widget is going to show up. So we can click into this and it's now going to ask us to choose from one of these templates. So go ahead and choose which template you think looks the best, but keep in mind that later down the line, this is all customizable. You can change this to any layout. We can edit the colors and everything like that. So this is just a rough idea first of all, but we can choose one of these and then click continue with this template. And then once you have selected your template, in here in the source area, we can add in the TripAdvisor URL. So all we want to do is go over to TripAdvisor and you can pull up your property or whatever you want to add the reviews of. And then all we have to do in here is grab the URL from the top, go back over to Elfsight and we can paste it in right here. Next, we can come down and choose if we want this AI summary on or off. Essentially, this just reads all of the reviews and then gives a breakdown of what these reviews are saying. So we can turn that on or off. We can then go into the filter section and we can choose what reviews we want to show, like 3-star and above, 4-star and above, or just 5-star. How many reviews we want to show. If we want to exclude or include any keywords in these reviews. We can then go down to the layout area, and this is what I said earlier about this is completely changeable at any time in terms of the layout. So we can choose the layout right here. We can then go down and customize this with all of these different things. Next, we can go to the header and we can customize how this header is going to look right here. So I really like this one. We can choose what elements are in the header, what this widget title says at the top. We can do the same for the reviews, so choose how these look. We can choose the source style at the bottom. And then under style in here, we can play around with all of the colors, the color scheme. We can even go in and change the fonts for all of these different sections. So go ahead and set this up and make this look how you would like it to. And then once we are ready to add this to Wix, we just want to click on publish up here. And then Elfsight is going to take us over to this screen and it's going to ask us to choose a plan. From these plans, the one that I recommend getting started with is the free plan, as this is going to allow us to get everything set up and we can start testing things for free. Make sure you like the widget. And then later down the line, if you do want to go ahead and upgrade, if you want more widgets or if you want more views, you can go ahead and upgrade later. But for now, just select the free plan. Once that is selected, we are going to be given this piece of code, and this code is how we are going to add the TripAdvisor reviews to our Wix website. So we just click on copy code right here, and then we can go over to the Wix editor. Then we just want to scroll down to where we want to add this. So I will add mine just underneath this top section. So we can add a section where we want to add this. Then we want to add elements. And in here, from add elements, we want to go down to embed code and embed HTML. This is the one that we want. So we can add this in, and then all we need to do from here is paste in the code that we just copied into this box. We can then click on update, and just like that, this is now going to be added in. So we can stretch this out to make sure that this fits and everything is visible, just like this. So we can expand this. We can drag this down to make sure everything is fitting in. And just like that, that is how you can add TripAdvisor reviews to your Wix website.